Right guys, I've just got a question here about finding the slope of the tangent to a curve when x equals 2 using first principles. So from the equation that we found in the last video, there's two equations that are commonly used that I typically use, but I would use f dash x equals the limit as h tends to naught of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So that's one I would be looking for. So f dash x is your derivative, which is the instantaneous rate of change of, it's the slope function basically, and we can find the slope function using this to solve for x equals 2. So using this equation, f of x, so we can plug values in because we can then find f of x plus h and f of x. So we can do our working here. So f dash x, before we even sub in 2, we'll sort out this bit first. So it's the limit as h tends to naught of 3x squared. So I'll put a square bracket here, 3 of x plus h squared plus 4 of x plus h plus 5 minus f of x, which is this, 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 divided by h. Divided by h. Right guys, so I just paused the video and did a bit more working to save a little bit of time because I've only got a limited amount of storage on my phone. But anyway, so I expanded this out here. Use a big bracket to expand that out. And I did this using the perfect square rule, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So it's I just expanded that out, expanded this all out, kept that the same, then expanded this out by bringing this inside the bracket, 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 4x plus 4h plus 5. So I expanded all the brackets out, brought the negative into each term here. Now, at this point here, you'll find the x terms should all cancel out because you've got a h on the bottom. So that's always the way it will be with this. So 4x, anything without a h should go. And if you've got things in there without a h, check back on what you've done because you've probably made a mistake. So we've got 6xh plus 4h left. So in our next line, it'll be limit as h tends to naught of 6xh, plus 6xh plus 4h plus 3h squared divided by h equals the limit as h tends to naught of, so what you do now is you bring the h out the front and say 6x plus 4 plus 3h divided by h. Now, you cancel these ones out and then you drop the limit as h tends to naught. So you have 6x plus 4, and then you sub in 0 because h isn't 0, but it's that close to 0 that we let it be 0. So it doesn't equal 0, but we sub in 0 at this point here, right? And then you get 6x plus 4. So that's your answer. Now, therefore, if that equals f dash x, f dash 2, which is the slope of the tangent when x equals 2, equals 6 lots of 2 plus 4, which is 16. So that's your answer.